Okay, now that we've solved the first two layers, we're gonna move on to the third layer. Note if you are looking for the quickest way to solve the last layer, this is not the tutorial that you should watch. There are quicker ways with longer algorithms. I'm just going to use short algorithms. I've divided up into two pieces. First we're gonna make this side completely yellow, not paying attention to if they're in the correct position, and then we're gonna put them in the correct position. There are first two short algorithms that you will probably have to write down. They're short, but you probably won't be able to remember them the first time. What we're looking for is a backward L. So there's a yellow piece here, here, and here, so it makes an L. If there are not many yellow pieces on this side, like I only have one yellow piece, then probably the algorithm that I'm going to show you will get you a few more yellow on top. Okay, it goes like this. Front clockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. So you see that I already have some more yellow on top now. Now we're going to look for the backward L. We don't have it yet. We want it here, or from this one, from this side here. So now there's the second algorithm. This is, well, I think it's the easiest algorithm because it's quite logical. You can do it from the left side or from the right side. I'm going to show you the right side. It's right side clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top clockwise twice, and right counterclockwise. From the left side, it's left clockwise, top counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, left clockwise, top counterclockwise twice, and left counterclockwise. You do that until you get a backward L. So right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise twice, right counterclockwise. And now you see that we have the backwards L. From the backwards L, we're going to do the first algorithm again. So front clockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. And now if you do that algorithm from the backwards L, you will always have the yellow cross. So now you have all four the yellow middle sides solved. From this, we're going to look for a fish pattern. The fish pattern is, it's got a head here, so those four pieces is the head, and those two pieces are the tail. It can be from this side as well, so those four pieces and the tail right here. We do the second algorithm that I've shown you to get to the fish pattern again. Usually if I just have the cross, so if there aren't any yellows here, I look for an empty side, and usually when I do the second algorithm, the fish pattern pops up. It's a matter of getting a feeling when you have to do, from what side you have to do the algorithm. So now we have the fish pattern. The ideal situation is if we have yellow in front here, under the tail, and another yellow here, and another yellow here. Because from this position, I know if we do the algorithm again, you will have the yellow side solved completely. Okay. If we do it from the other side, head, tail, one below, one here, one here. Same algorithm again, but from the left. I should have done that slower. From the left side, it's left clockwise, top counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, left clockwise, top counterclockwise twice, and left counterclockwise. Then we're back to the fish pattern again, and from the fish pattern we can go to the complete solve, the yellow side again. So one more other case. So if you have the cross and you use one solved, one yellow on the bottom, then you will probably I got the fish pattern anyway. There's lots of ways to get to the fish pattern. Two yellows on the bottom. Let's see what happens now. See, you're not getting the fish pattern now. So, same algorithm again. Do cross, none on the bottom. Fish pattern, one here, one here, one here, and from there you go back to the solve yellow side, and that's it.